Hello Revolve, my name is Allana Davison and today I'm going to be doing a vacation inspired makeup look using all products found on Revolve Beauty. Now when we're talking about vacay inspired makeup, two things come to mind. I want sun protection and I want glowing skin. I also really love to use multitasking products if you happen to be a sweaty gal like me and struggle a little bit in the heat. I also want those layers on my skin to be as thin and as natural as possible. So when it comes to any sweaty activity, any hot activity, it still looks natural and undetectable on the face. So one of my favorite products that I love to pull out anytime I'm going in the sun is the Supergoop Glowscreen. This is a beautiful product because it doubles as kind of a 2-in-1. It's got SPF 40, but it also has a beautiful glow. It's almost like a little bit of a tinted sunscreen. So this is so beautiful on its own, but you can also use it like a makeup primer and use this underneath your base products for that extra layer of protection, extra layer of glow. When you apply it onto the skin, you're like, oh, it is so pretty. You can literally see that like warm bronzy layer being applied everywhere. Supergoop actually has like amazing products. They have SPF in so many different things, but the Glowscreen is one of my favorite go-tos. Now don't let my fake tan fool you. I am a pale gal underneath, so I'm always very interested in multiple layers of sun protection. So if you wanted to add a little extra layer of glam, maybe you're getting ready for a little night out on your vacay, then the Tower 28 SunnyDays is one of my favorite bases. Always, it's so pretty. This one's in the shade 20 Mulholland. Made it up Mulholland Drive. Now you can blend this one in with your fingers. It's super light and natural, but I always like to go in with a brush regardless, just to make sure that everything is nice and blended in. So I'm just gonna spread it out with my fingers, and you can see it's giving me that nice warm glow that's gonna match the fake tan that I have on my neck. And we're just adding on another layer of gorgeous glow and SPF and getting a bit more coverage as well if you wanna kind of roll with that vacay glam. Now for the bronzer, I want something that's going to be really nice and light and natural and adding more glow to the skin. This MANASI 7 Bronzelighter really tickled my soul. It's kind of like a bronzer. I know it says Bronzelighter, so like a bronzer and a highlighter, but there's almost a little bit of pinky in there, a little bit of warmth, and I think this is so perfect for that vacation, summery, beachy vibe. Especially if you love multitasking products, this one is so pretty on the skin. It adds the most beautiful wash of warmth and the most beautiful glow. It's really like a blush and a bronzer and a highlighter all in one. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna put that on the tops of the cheeks so you can see it literally gives the most natural wash of sun-kissed glow to the skin. Like there's just that slight little pinky tinge. It's a little bit glowy, a little bit shimmery. And I love a product that just does a little bit of everything on the skin. So I'm just blending that one out all over my cheeks. I'm bringing it up onto my forehead and like my temples. Basically wherever the sun would naturally hit is where I always like to go ahead and apply my bronzer. Oh my god, I literally can't get over this color. It's so pretty. And I actually think that this is going to be really nice on the eyes too. It's a little bit creamy, so it might not be the most long-lasting things on the eyes, but to be honest, when I'm doing my vacay makeup and I am in the heat, I don't really love to do a lot of eye makeup anyway. So whatever I'm using for my bronzer or my blush, I think it's so pretty to do that kind of monochromatic look and just use the same product on your eyelids. So I'm just taking a little eyeshadow brush and just applying that all over the lids. Actually, the pink in this really goes nicely with my little Eve's dress here. So cute! This product, so beautiful. Such a win. Literally perfect. Perfect vacay, perfect summer makeup. I'm actually really happy with how the base is looking, but if you wanted a little bit more coverage and just that ultimate like perfected kind of summer glam, you can go ahead and do some underpainting and apply your concealer. This is the Tower 28 Serum Concealer. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, like I have a few spots on my chin. I have a little bit of redness around my mouth, and I'll just apply a little bit to the center of my face. And this is just gonna help make everything look a lot more flawless. And I'm just blending that in with a brush. Nothing too crazy, but when you do underpainting, it allows you to kind of build up that natural coverage without applying too much product. You could still get amazing coverage and an amazing flawless base without using full coverage products, which again, I love for warmer weather. It's time to go in with my favorite little setting duo. This is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray and the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting powder. And I don't always apply powder. To be honest, in the hot weather, sometimes I just like to embrace that kind of sweaty, beachy vibe and just let the glow happen. But if you wanted to set it a little bit, just to make sure that your makeup doesn't budge, or if you want to reduce some of the oiliness, I would suggest using a bigger, fluffier brush with your powder instead of like a smaller, denser brush. And that just applies like a nice thin layer. And you can pretty much just apply that all around the center of the face. Basically, anywhere that you've applied the concealer, just to make sure that it sets and doesn't budge. Although again, if you're a sweaty gal, you might not be able to control that movement. We just do what we can. So a little bit of that setting powder to reduce some of the shine. And then on top of that, I'm going to spritz the setting spray just to let that all sit and soak in and melt together. Now for the lip, I have been obsessed with lip stains. I love being able to apply my lip and not having to worry about it for the rest of the day, and especially in hot weather, just a little lip stain for that little natural flush, it's perfect. So these are the Summer Fridays flushed lip stains, and I'm loving how people are layering up lip stains. I think that's super fun. So I have the shades Almond and Roseate here, and they're just kind of like a cool little lip stain pen that you can just draw on and kind of treat it like a lip liner. So just apply it like a pen. I'm just gonna draw this on the outline of my lips and just bring some of the definition back. This shade Almond is super light and natural, especially when you're in bright sunlight and it's beaming down and it's midday and you're like, oh my god, you can see every layer of makeup that is on the face. Let me tell you, this little lip stain, undetectable. No one will know. Someone's gonna ask you where you got your lip blushing done. Be like I did and I just woke up like, ah. So I lined my lips with Almond, and then I'm gonna go in with the Roseate shade just for a little bit of pinkiness, a little bit of color. And I find that layering up the two different colors just adds a lot of nice dimension. Now to add a little bit more color on the cheeks and the lips, I'm gonna use this cutie little Carrot Color Pot. This is in the shade Humble, and it's this gorgeous bright pink. And I'm just gonna apply that right onto the apples of the cheeks with my finger, just to bring a little bit of like flushed color right here to the cheeks. And I find that doing that as a last step, it's kind of nice because you've already finished your base. All the other skin products are kind of soaking in. And then this is just that final little touch of color. And I just love the effect of like patting that in with the fingers. Kind of the idea of like pinching your cheeks and adding a little natural flush. That's what we're doing here with this little pink pot. It's almost like a little natural sunburn. I think it's really cute. And then when it's a lip and cheek product, you can apply that right into the center of the lips too. You don't have to do this, but I do think it's nice to kind of, again, just continue building up that dimension, matching the colors on the cheeks and the lips. But because I've applied lip stains, I do want a little bit of a gloss. So I'm just kind of doing that for funsies to make it match. And then I'm going to go on top with the Summer Fridays Rosebud lip gloss, which is just one of my favorite colors ever. This is super juicy, such a pretty wash of light pink that I also think is going to go really nicely on top of the lip stains, but also goes so well with the blush. And then if you have more dry lips, then you don't have to worry about them feeling too dried out by the lip stain, because you can layer up any gloss on top. But I think this is so pretty for just that little kind of bitten pink, cutie little vibe. Now, if we wanted to go even further with the glow, if this wasn't enough glow already, you can take this Kosas Haloed Shiny Objects. And this is a crazy, like, powder to cream, cool little mixed vibe. It's such a pretty highlighter. I actually prefer to apply it with a brush. So I'm just gonna take a small little eyeshadow brush here, and I'm just gonna touch the tops of the cheeks with this, just for that final little wash of glow. This one's pretty because it is a powder, so it's not going to be too sticky, but it just looks insane. If you want to glow from the heavens outside and have people asking you where you get your facials done, it's going to be like, thank you, it's this highlighter. You can also take a little bit of that onto the eyes too, just to have that glow everywhere. Really, just glowing from everywhere. We can also take a little bit of that on our shoulder. Just a little bloop, and a little bloop, and a boop. If we are having our limbs exposed, we want the glow there too. Okay, finish off with some brow gel and some mascara, or no mascara if you want to jump in the pool. I support either way. And that's my vacay inspired makeup complete. I usually always go for like warm kind of oranges and reds and really dive into that like sunburnt vibe, but I thought it'd be really fun to actually do like some cooler tones today. I love this pink. So I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. All the products that I've used today can be found on Revolve Beauty. And thank you so much for being here and for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye!